What it be like, fam?
Welcome to Game Night's DLC. My name is Adam Bryant.
Brandon Mohawk Williams.
And tonight we're doing another Adam Mixes, and I'm going to show you and you how to make a proper old-fashioned.
It's one of my favorite drinks.
Very good. First off, the main ingredient, of course, you want to start off with a nice Kentucky bourbon whiskey. This is Buffalo Trace. I highly recommend it. It's one of my favorites.
It's from Kentucky.
You're also going to need a simple syrup or a sugar cube. Either one depends on your bartender's opinion. I think simple syrup works just fine. And of course, some bitters. So start off, grab your simple syrup and a bar spoon, or you can do a half a teaspoon measuring. But you just fill up that bar spoon.
Look at it, just dribbling all in there.
Just dribble that boy in there, just like that. You don't need a lot. It's only meant to kind of slightly sweeten it. Then when you take your bitters, and that's going to be 3 dabs of bitters. 1, 2, and 3. Dab it out.
Damn. Dab on them fools.
And then, of course, you want 2 ounces of your bourbon. So take your pour here. I don't like calling it what it's actually called because it sounds bad.
What is it actually called?
It's called a jigger.
Ah.
Yeah.
Ah, I see.
I know. Take your bar spoon and give it a quick spin. It's gonna be a little loud for a second. Hold on.
It's a price for good art.
There we go. Give it a little sniff. You're gonna want to get your glass, which always a nice bunch of ice. That or a big old whiskey ball like this you can use.
Big old ball.
And all you do, you just pour that guy over. And then, the final touch, grab yourself an orange and a peeler. Peel off just a little bit of the peel. Twist it, release it, that effervescence.
Twist it. Release it.
And then
Bop
lastly, you want to line the rim of your glass with the peel. It's going to let those oils from the orange peel go onto the rim of the glass. It's going to help with that flavor. And then you dip that boy right in and serve.
Fancy boy.
Now, old fashions are not meant to be a high volume cocktail. They're meant for slow sips over a long period of time. That's why you have such a large piece of ice to keep it chilled the entire time while you enjoy.
And it is, again, one of my favorite whiskey-based drinks. It is so good. It is so good. And you feel super fancy when you're doing it.
It's quite nice.
My compliments to the bartender. Thank you.
Thank you. Well, guys, that's it. That's how you make an old-fashioned. A
Drink responsibly.
Cocktail. And drink responsibly. Only drink for over the age of 21. All the stuff so we don't get sued.
Exactly.
Again, this is sometimes referred to as the original cocktail. This is something that's been around for hundreds of years now. Very easy to make, actually, and even more better to enjoy. So yeah, guys, that's it for Adam Mixes. Don't forget to join us every Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday at 7 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Twitch.tv/itsgamenight.
Yeah.
We stream games and tell dick jokes.
2 best things. Like, what else could you ask for?
Yeah. So anyway, guys, just have fun, stay safe, and stay sane out there in these very strange times, and we will see you next time. Once again, I'm Adam Bryant.
Brandon Mohawk Williams.
Good night, guys.